Good morning, everybody. Our lesson today is about the environment of the Earth planet. Please have a look at this picture and see the beauty of our planet. It is very important to keep our environment clean and green. What is the environment? When we talk about our environment, we mean everything in the world around us which can affect our lives, including the air, food chains, the water cycle, plants, animals, and other human beings. Why does the environment need our help? The environment needs our help because there are 5 basic needs of human beings from this environment that are oxygen, water, food, shelter, and warmth. So it's clear in this picture the basic needs of a living organism, such as sunlight, water, air, temperature, and food. We breathe oxygen from air. Oxygen is an important element that is needed to survive. So the existence of trees on the earth provide our daily need of oxygen. We get water from rain, which fills our lakes, rivers, and water tanks. We get food from plants, animals, fish, and birds. We get shelter from the materials we take out of the earth and from plants that grow in the earth, such as trees, to make our homes. We get warmth from the sun, fire, power such as electricity, gas, oil, and our clothing. Over the years, the human population has grown and grown. Population means the number of people which started to increase every year. Everything living on the earth has basic needs. Humans have caused so many changes that many living things cannot get what they need. Some of the changes have led to the extinction of many kinds of wildlife, such as animals, plants, and insects. So we are beginning to realize that our basic human needs are being affected also. Types of pollution. We have 3 types of pollution. Type 1, type 2, and type 3. Type 1 is land pollution, which is man-made. This pollution is affecting our beautiful and green environment, which will lead to health diseases. Type 2 is air pollution, where bad gases and smoke come out from factories, cars, and buses. Type 3 is water pollution, and this pollution is caused by humans where they dump garbage into lakes, seas, and rivers. So, we can understand the harmful effects of these types of pollution that are caused mainly by humans. Finally, a beautiful word starts with you. Therefore, we have to take care of our environment to have healthy life and to live in a clean environment. Thank you.